Do you need the railing for stairs now? Stay with me for just a few minutes. Eat the way I show you and add some gentle strength. In about 1 month, you may feel a difference, like many people who say stairs get easier. So today, you will get 6 easy high protein foods. You will also get a simple 1 day eating plan. And yes, I will share clear cooking and timing tips too. I am a clinical professional who sees older adults every single day. Now, please answer 3 quick questions with me. Do stairs now require the railing? Do you find yourself short of breath after just 1 flight of stairs? And is 5 sit to stands in around 12 to 15 seconds hard for you? If you said yes to any of these, you may be seeing early muscle loss. This is very common after 60. It is not a diagnosis, it is just a friendly nudge to take safe action and protect your strength. Muscle loss can make walking slow. Stairs can feel hard. Falls can happen more often. Independence can become harder. But here's the good news. Food and light strength work can help at any age. Groups like the NHS, the CDC, and Mayo Clinic teach this. Small steps, done daily, really do add up over time. Let me tell you about Mr. Allen. He is 78. He held the rail on 1 flight. He sometimes missed the green light at the crosswalk. We changed his breakfast to include more protein. We added a small protein-forward lunch. He did 20 to 30 minutes of easy strength most days.
He practiced chair stands and gentle band pulls. After 4 weeks, he crossed in time. Stairs felt safer. He even said, "I feel like the old TV days when we stood up to change the channel." More confidence led to more walking, and more walking led to more energy. That is a very good cycle. Think of muscle as your savings account. Protein is the building block. Exercise is the signal that says, build here. After 60, the body may resist building muscle unless meals have enough protein. Amino acids from protein turn on the build switch. Leucine is a key amino acid for that switch. Aim for about 25 to 30 grams, which is about 0.9 to 1.1 ounces of protein in each meal. Try to include a food that is rich in leucine, like fish, dairy, or eggs. Plant foods can work too when you eat enough and use good combinations. Do 20 to 30 minutes of simple strength work most days. Eat your protein within a few hours after that work. So, what is the first food? Well, it is canned salmon with the soft bones. Why salmon? Because it has protein, omega-3, and vitamin D. The soft bones add calcium too. How do you cook it simply? You can spread it on whole grain toast or toss it into a salad. Choose low mercury options and choose no salt added if you watch sodium. And if salmon is not your choice, what could be next? What could the second food be? It is plain Greek yogurt. Why yogurt? Because it is gentle on.
It has double the protein of regular yogurt. How do you use it? You can make a small bowl with olive oil and tomatoes, or add berries for a light sweet taste. You can even freeze yogurt into small cubes for a cool snack. Pick unsweetened yogurt. Lactose-free versions exist if you need them. But yogurt is not the only simple option, so what else can help? The third food is cottage cheese. Why cottage cheese? Because it is high in protein and rich in leucine. How can you eat it? Put it on toast with cucumber and pepper. Blend it into a smoothie for creamy texture without extra sugar. Or bake it into a pancake mix for added protein. Always check the sodium on the label. Still, dairy is not for everyone,
So what plant food gives steady energy and fiber? And what is the fourth food? Cooked lentils. Why lentils? Because they give plant protein with fiber for steady energy. How do you cook them? Simmer lentils with a little salt until soft. Then add them to soup, curry, or salad. Mash them with garlic and olive oil for a quick spread. Cook a batch and freeze small portions. If fiber is new for you, start with a small serving. And when you want something even simpler, what small food is easy to cook? The fifth food is eggs. Why eggs? Because they are low cost and easy to cook. They have complete protein and leucine. How can you cook them? Make a veggie omelet, boil them for a snack, poach them for breakfast, or use one whole egg and extra egg whites for more protein with less fat. But wait, what if your doctor told you to cut back on eggs because of cholesterol? Do not worry, because there is another food waiting. And what is that sixth food? It is tofu. Why tofu? Because tofu is a plant protein that is soft and easy to digest. It is rich in protein and minerals. How can you enjoy it? Steam it with vegetables, stir-fry it gently with soy sauce and garlic, bake it in the oven for a chewy texture, or blend it into a smoothie for a creamy base. Tofu is a safe alternative when you need to limit eggs. Here are 4 simple rules. First, get about 25 to 30 grams, which is about 0.9 to 1.1 ounces of protein in each meal. Second, add smart carbs like whole grains or fruit for energy and recovery, especially after activity. Protein is the main builder for muscle. Third, use gentle cooking. Chop, simmer, stew, or rehydrate. Avoid charring. Open a window or use a fan when you cook. Fourth, do simple strength work for 20 to 30 minutes most days, and then eat protein within a few hours. Let me show you a one-day example. Please adjust portions with your clinician. For breakfast, use plain Greek yogurt, about 150 to 170 grams, which is about 5 to 6 ounces. Add 1 boiled egg. Add berries and a few cherry tomatoes. Add a little olive oil and a small pinch of salt. This gives about 28 grams, which is about 1 ounce of protein. Leucine comes from the yogurt and the egg. For lunch, use canned salmon, about 85 to 113 grams, which is about 3 to 4 ounces. Mix it with yogurt and lemon. Spread it on whole grain toast. Add a side of spinach. This gives about 25 to 30 grams, which is about 0.9 to 1.1 ounces of protein. For dinner, make a lentil stew. Use about 200 grams, which is about 7 ounces of cooked lentils. Add a side of cottage cheese, about 113 grams, which is about 4 ounces, or swap with tofu cubes for a plant-based option. This gives about 33 grams, which is about 1.2 ounces of protein. Over the day, many people reach about 90 grams, which is about 3 ounces of protein with this plan. Your number may be higher or lower, so check your legs with the 3 questions. Aim for enough protein in each meal. Use the 6 foods often. Do gentle strength most days and then eat protein soon after. Small steps each day can make stairs feel easier. If this helped you, please subscribe and like. It helps more seniors find safe, simple tips. Please write this in the comments. I am starting my muscle protection plan today. Your words can help a friend your age. This video is general information only. It is not medical advice. Before changing your diet, please talk to your doctor or GP, especially if you have kidney disease or special dietary needs. Take care of your muscles. They will take care of you. See you soon. Thank you.